If you recently updated your Windows operating system and now your screen is struggling to turn on after going idle for a few minutes, and you want to fix that, then you're in the right place. I'm Trent from How to Haven, and I'm here to help. To start, let's open our command prompt. Hit the Windows key, type CMD. You'll see this command prompt here, and you're going to want to right-click that and run as administrator. A box is going to pop up. Hit yes, and then your command prompt will open. And so what you're going to want to do is check first what states you have available. So type in power cfg space /A. It's going to tell you what is available. So right now it says it's not been enabled, so I don't have that problem. But for you, it might say it is, and that might be the reason why. So what you can actually do is type in command to turn it off. Type power cfg space /H and then off. Hit that, and now it's going to turn off. Restart your computer, give it a try, and see if that fixes the issue. Another problem it could be is it might be your drivers. So open up your device manager, go to your display adapters, find your graphics card, hit properties, go to the drivers tab here, and you'll see a rollback driver button. You want to hit that and follow the follow the instructions, because you might have a bad driver version that kind of causes this issue, and it'll bring you back to one that works. Anyways, guys, if this fixed your issue, drop a like, leave a comment. I appreciate it. Peace.